Hello and welcome to Saros's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quantitative aptitude is the most important part in any competitive examination. So today we are going to solve two questions from this portion. And we all know that there is not much complexity, conceptual complexity in such questions. The most important part to solve this question in small amount of time is to be able of fast computing and the fast numerical ability of yours. So develop such skills to solve such question in small time. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Three by 8 of 4 by 9 of 1092 is equals to what? We need to find that. Okay, as we all know that of implies multiplication. Okay, therefore we can write 3 by 8 of 4 by 9th of 1092, and this is equals to we get half multiplied by 1/3 multiplied by 1092, which results in here we get 9 6 6, and from this we get 183. Sorry, we get here 364, therefore it results in 182. Okay, therefore we can say that our correct answer is the option A. Now let's check the next question. Here we have to find the power of 4. Okay, find the power of 4, and our required equation is root over 25 multiplied by 14 minus 42 plus 4 to the power x is equals to 18. We just replace the question mark by x. Okay, now we have to solve for x. Okay, now 25 multiplied by 14, as we all know the Bodmas rule, that is BODMAS. Here from these given three operations, that is multiplication, subtraction and addition, in this Bodmas hierarchy we can see that the multiplication comes first, then addition, and then lastly subtraction comes. So first we do the multiplication, and 24 multiplied by 14 results in 350, and after that we add with 4 to the power x, and then lastly come the subtraction. And as 4 to the power x is a variable portion, so we do the subtraction, that is 350 minus 42, which results in 308 plus 4 to the power x root over 18. Now squaring both sides we get 308 plus 4 to the power x is 18 square. To solve quantitative questions in small time span, you need to remind different things like the square of different numbers at least 1 to 25, the cube of different numbers at least 1 to 15, etc. And so the 18 square results in 324. More, more practice in this such abilities makes you more perfect and efficient. 308, 324 minus 302. Okay, 324 minus 308 results in 16, and it is equals to 4 to the power x. And as we know that 16 can be written as 4 square, therefore after comparing both sides we get x is equals to 2. So the answer of this question will be the option 3. Okay, so we have solved these two questions. And to know more about quants, you can drop a message at these numbers, that is 9836793076 and 9874822756. These are the WhatsApp number of ours, or you can just check our website also, which is www.sourcesclasses.com. Okay, so thank you very much.